First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the same, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message, from the veins, speaking my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through the all the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. Pain, you made me a believer, believer. Pain, I let the bullets fly, I let them rain. My luck, my love, my God, they keep pain. My soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message, from the veins, speaking my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through the
I made it here on no favors. Half man, half amazing. Always blazing. Eyes chinky like a Asian. So faded. Damn Bazarian, my neighbor. Man, this shit is so crazy. All my homies been turned up for like a week straight. This shit suck dick, she need a knee brace. This she wanna fuck me, it's in these days. And this she keep my undies, that's a keepsake. But crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. You can crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. If it's cool, I can fuck with that. Yeah, ooh, true. Yeah, she cool, I can fuck with that. Ooh, I can fuck with that. But you can crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. You can crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. They don't get how I operate. I swear I always feel like Saturday. Blowing smoke on the balcony. I'm out here but never out of place. Cause honestly, I'm all about the team play. That's why I put them on like a freak place. That Dom Perignon and some cheesecake. And then I eat some pussy, it's a cheat day. You can crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. You can crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. If it's cool, I can fuck with that. Yeah, ooh, true. Yeah, she cool, I can fuck with that. Ooh, I can fuck with that. But you can crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. You can crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. You grinding grinding to shine, I'm grinding to disappear. Spinning your tires and it's grinding my gears. Don't fight for my time, cause it's already yours. So pretty woman, I'm Richard Gere. Now listen here, you can't take a second when you in first place. Told you not to text me during my work day. Hey, you know what I meant, yeah, you know I work late. That's how I'm here in the first place. Hey, you could crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. You can crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. If it's cool, I can fuck with that. Yeah, true. Yeah, she cool, I can fuck with that. I can fuck with that. But you could crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. You could crash here, girl, don't be a dummy. I told her, show me, you ain't gotta say you love me. You ain't gotta say you love me.
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight.
Yeah. Yeah. New mics and shit, you know? Yeah. Took my first private flight, about to make it a habit.
Passed my camera to my brother, told him take it and tag it. Let's make a moment of it. The people home would love it. And if you wonder what's next, this an omen of it. When my mother's water broke, I was dripped in gold, picked and told, stick to the script and roll. The path that you must now go is a twisted road. Weapon you would now hold is a fist to throw. A gift in mine, Holyfield gift is told. The gift is mine, only real gift is time. That making other people rich shit, never in my plans. Knew my whole life would be better in my hands. As a boy, I knew one day I'd be the man, doing what I want, knowing that could tell me what I can. So I dream, I plan, I work, I set goals. If I had $1 for every time they said no, I would have 100 million in my safe, bankrolled. But it ain't unfold, that ain't how the game go. No rap beef, hella drama in my real life. I ain't beefing with no actor, that don't feel right. They won't save you while you sit with your label. Cooking rumors, working on the way to a lot of consumers. Look at you, miserable, probably stripped for the moolah. I was busy while you're busy getting sued by your jeweler. When you stun and run the numbers up, it's just like taunting. When I'm out in Toronto, I build up like Chauncey. I can see you got you mad that I'm holding some money. Yeah, my mama taught me better, but I'm showing some money. Cause I'm young, I'm black, they be counting me out. But that rollie helps me get the benefit of the doubt. And they love to start playing when they think they can. But that phantom make a motherfucker think again. I need 2 Rolls Royce, $500,000 apiece. Not a fool with my cash, so I'm cool with a lease. Ruger registered, I spent the cool 2 on a piece. Boogus ahead of us, he thinking boy 2 on his feet. Tell her we ain't gon' last if she ain't resilient. These women want a man, I just want each million. Come catch this vibe, come breathe aromas. This side shit, baby, we the owners. Living in the studio, ironic as day. A studio has no room and ain't no room for debate. That I'm a motherfucking king of this rap shit. Dues been paid and the craft's been mastered. Talking those 10,000 hours been past it. Every track blast like it has been Latin. Yeah, always knew I'd be on jet sunsets with the winners. Not another nigga sitting in the cell with the sinners. I won't be on sofas dreaming with mediocre reefer smokers. Y'all keep the smoke, I keep the focus. They been trying to put a cage round the way that I think. I was 7 and my teacher had me seeing the shrink. Kicked out for I could divide my own division. All because I wouldn't fit in your pipeline to prison. I'll be selling out shows, check the stands that I fill. Money coming in bags like Canada milk. Ran it by the team, now they by the vision. I only wanna drive it if an angel by the engine. Oh, I give thanks to the Most High. Fuck going platinum, I pray to be multi. One more time, I give thanks to the Most High. Going platinum, I pray to be multi. One more time, I give thanks to the Most High. Fuck going platinum, I pray to be multi. John Boogie.
I'm relying on your love, and can you let me some? So that if I'm left with nothing at the bottom, you can be the one to come and help me up. You're the one that got responding to the calling. When my heart is heavy, you are sure get to hold tight. Hard to belly all the good in the cold times. So keep me warm before the freeze of the night grows. Body heat to more degrees if we lie close. I know you know I got needs and you solve them. Through it all, you'll be there pulling for me, yeah. And when I'm caught up all deep in my problems, you of all people care someone I'll need. If I'm running thin on my luck and falling so behind, I will need your love. So I'm holding on to you, to you, to you. So I'm holding on to you, to you, to you. So I'm holding on to you, to you, to you. So I'm holding on to you, to you, to you.
All the time, my baby.